Nestled in a secluded valley in North Devon is Kedworthy Woods, a woodland with a rich variety of trees of different ages and species. At the heart of the woods is a delightful stream that flows throughout the year. Meandering through low-lying damp ground, dominated by alder and willow, before passing a lush tree-lined meadow. Mature broadleaf trees proliferate in the lower slopes of the valley. Healthy stands of conifers grow higher up the slopes. While smaller and younger trees and shrubs can be found at the edges of rides and clearings. The site has many tracks and paths that wind their way through most of the woodland, and a good stone forestry track allows excellent access through the lower reaches of the woods. Kedworthy is blessed with a great variety of interesting trees. Hidden places to discover. And a wonderful diversity of habitats and wildlife. With such a variety of trees, habitats and wildlife, Kedworthy Woods is a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered.